Yes, County Executive Committee members who are present, the chief officers, coordinators of our Achiri program, our partners, most of the directors that I've seen here, county officials, youth, leadership, and representation from all parts of the Kisii County, ladies and gentlemen. It is gratifying to once again officiate the graduation of yet another cohort of trainees under the Achiri program here at Irongo, Basi Chache Ward. Today, 1,300 trainees, majority who are youth, are graduating, with 216 being from Basi Chache Ward, Satellite Center of Kisii Achiri Center. The trainees have undergone training in ICT and other empowerment courses. So far, over 12,000, and it's important for me to emphasize, over 12,000 youths have benefited from the free ICT training since Achiri Center was initiated in Kisii County 2 years ago. I want to take this opportunity to thank the local leadership for partnering with us in sponsoring the opening of Achiri Training Center in this area. This has enabled us to avail this program to mashinani people from the main center situated at the Gusii Stadium, where two of my officers camp are situated. Achiri is a program aimed in opening avenues for training and employment opportunity for our youth, especially in the online platform, which is now the in thing in the world, better known as the global village due to improved internet connectivity and increasing reliance on digital technology in the job market. And you have seen out of it, we have already 11 of our young people through Achiri joining courses in the universities in China. I'll later explain. There are those ones who think China, even one province of China could beat our country, Kenya. But I'll explain that one much later. It is important for this reason that I need to reach out to Achiri, courtesy of MasterCard Foundation Centum, to establish the Kisii Achiri Center at Gusii Stadium to help youth access training and employment opportunities for free. With the increased demand in Kisii County, I personally persuaded or pushed for the extension of Achiri program, and I'm grateful for the continued support from the sponsors. In Rimeno, there is one in Sameta, this one, and Monyerero, Nyakembene. There is one in Nyakembene in South Mugrango. Through MasterCard, Shopcom organization has also come up in to help us in the sponsoring of our youths to pursue technical courses in various technical colleges. Therefore, the Achiri Center is a game changer in providing a platform for our young men and women to nurture and showcase their skills, talents, and have them exposed to the job market out there. Through this program, earlier I just mentioned 11 best performing students who are selected and joined higher education institutions in China, taking different courses including electrical engineering, bachelor in medicine, aeronautic. You have heard from the parents. I'm also delighted to announce the new partnership between Kisii County and Stanbic Foundation and American Tower Corporation, ATC, which seeks to train more youths in digital training or skill training and give them access to online jobs. As a start, the following vocational training centers will be offering the training, and it's important for leadership in our county just to note. In Bobasi, there is a Gionseri vocational training, Nyaburumbas vocational training, in Bomachoge, Kenyenya Vocational Training, that's in Bomachoge. Nyabrubansi in Bomachoge Chache. Kenyenya is in Bomachoge Borabu. Keumbu Vocational Training Center, Nyaribari Chache. Ria Nyoka in Nyaribari Masaba. Nyaore Vocational Training Center, Kitutu Chache South. Manyansi, Kitutu Chache North. Nyachenge, South Mugrango. Kirwanda, Bonchari. So far, we have enrolled over 500 students on the program. The graduates today who have, and I want to say all graduates who have a D+ in KCC can register for the program, which is free and certified by Microsoft to enhance your digital skills and get concessional on the online jobs. Equally, with the ongoing digitization of government services, including medical insurance and education access, literacy in ICT, now basic necessity, and our jury comes in handy to equip the people with the digital utility skill. I urge our leaders, it's important for me to do this, to embrace this program and work with us in promoting youth empowerment to create a better future for all of us. Allow me to say this. Abantu aminto enakuana gesonge want to reiterate esekegusi. Before I do that, I want to thank those directors I saw here. I was not taking away students from your colleges. That I want to assure you. It was not my intention. I could not do it, but it's only to empower these young people to get us moving. This is my village. I grew up here. And if you realized, may I not say this, because I'll speak it in Ekegusi so that these people can really get it right. But I want to assure you I'm ready. And for those children who have traveled to China, and I'm happy there is a program of Germany. I can tell you in Germany, there is one secrecy. Es Germany, abante ba ibolet. Karawai ka asikite wakatika kuibora. Bono, serikali ya Germany, ego tenga montonde bwenzi okuibura omwana. Omwana oyomo. Eba komongno yo, omwakomogma maternity leave. Kabere Germany, wana mbali waka na school fees koru standard yemu. Lakini wako moja ni wako nyora babere. Musacho ga akoi wenu suo mwaka, oba nae kori endo mwana. Wama ya waka na chibe ya sesenge njo yoko nyora abana. Ati wako iro ororo. Lono, nga abanta abanna bara abange kubwa abana. Bobo irenga ensi abo kana berabe bobe. Bone bakurukibe yasampaka abantu bali koliki. Aiga goso konyoro mwana no nyebesa ti. No eko mwete me chanda me korbek. Unki moko no renge nje. Na mwa donget. Nganchere nkuwa neiga abantu aminto chinse chiri chino nichigenderete ensemna ya China. Yani noene miaka ndoteba noene miaka mia igocha eli twespinto iyo tinkuma osemte kere chinse chiri. And for the parents abayiboli bali mwarita bane China nko batebi bali taliyo ndoko batebi naende batebi nyeke konyalikana ba okora aba murabaroro banyuo mororo abaiseke ge konyalikana bakoleki naende batebi bamanyege China. It will be an added advantage. ntu agenda e college yemo e polytechnic na irete a number of MCS ororo et polytechnic e kurku one polytechnic na ene university yetu ya Nairobi tegwe ikera abantu bali abana bago somi wororo especially asemangana a mechanical engineering na oba koras Mercedes Volvo nichigali bago somera ntuntu bwati no ene liye saligete mata inchiri chinya chikorwe se chikambani chiri abantu baminto obuli mubwairire osibona mubwate obuli moga wemumboyi bwatigere buyek narali bole nasa abana mongabo taligaoka gusiengima orumonyerero rogoro ogende mpaka Bugirango ogende Bonchali ogende Bunyaribali ogende Bumachoge ogende South Mugirango mali mutakole tiki taizyo obuli mubwatigere buyeka no bwabana na abana mwa the graduates today. I want to urge you, you have an opportunity. This we have not been charging you, is a free course. Ntori waka ni noane shilingi ebe sa yokora nyo baka ntene yange ne certificate gochimoto na ingo kwana na mu MCA itoga iga na ne immediate neighbor nko batenga ngake ko nyarikana intubune serikali tubeke kibeza asa ajiri program. And I want to plead with you, wakili no olega, let us check what we can be able to do. Torenga kito kole ubinte. Again to gia kabere. Gusiengi mamwa iguna soma asechi constituency kianda. At least whether stand big ntubuate a vocational training center to adisaitiri mpaka batoire chikompyuta. Mheshimiwa Sonya nabo oli waziri wa education on the ngamba bwate wifi and the wifi is not expensive. Ego summit I want to direct make sure a wifi are very provided your abanafunzi bali bagenda kutumia. Thank you. Ni maitengwa tebanga chikompyuta kya the promise umwe Ismail wada gwango sinyora bolere mpaka standard 8 okamoji ko bali mama, but you see na role in charge ajiri this young man is doing very well ko South Mugirango na rote batalinja na kwana mwai wao kwana lakini ngo adiga bona mato no mongo otra boli na nyuo meta na mata bana na atika onaya na kamwiska ya karibu itrama chobole lakini akaraku ngaba sako mpaka standard 8 wakati geri standard ya moibere gawo ngawa nyago itira karaba sako sali ki mattress again trate banga chi computer chiri chi abwenta kurwewe chirwewe no ninje na promised 100,000 for that function. You know that I've said it will come in the form of computer. Abana ba collect basome. Ngokwana ndegora irongo mo kumya abantu aminto nkaga. Mubanyepe. Ngokwana. That representative of Shofcom. Baba ntaito wakirambia. Mungana naro rengo miyara kina igune bintu mbre bya mubwata. Naro le no na ndem biyo isogeta. Ntaito watewaiga. Totaito twakembiano but Ken is supposed to come to see me nkomomera nande ndole go semba twega aki abana no enebwe. I will be able to do it. Gamba denga wetra Shofcom. Ega siba kolire kenyingi matari gusi. Ora sekwae onye to koleto umwana ogasome. Umwana ogwate gusine D+ go chigoro na bago soma. Na bakwewe free scholarship basome. Ntakitentebe ebintu bitatu before ntarakora. Abangina bali mwatera iganda itemba kirembya mu chiwido chonsi piusi ko every word. Nintagete ndole ngakito kubakonya. No no ene basari to kwenana nintagite kwanza turarabana aba no dali abana baburaka abana bangina baburaka abana ngakidoko baruka chintakana banyore basari ecyetororo igabangina kandi na especially onyu musaja kororo ayembi yoli wechimukao nabo aokorora olema bono bali batabuwa ati na intu tigata Yesu abo musacho ino ose naberego ekera yabere boigo na intu aseli bagare ya Yesu tonyare ko konye gaseli Yesu atotomire. I think wetre program yaito and the Deputy Governor Olegaiga, I want to ask you, make sure to answer the program where you identify our widows, all of them, during October involved in the exercise you could develop pay county yaito. Nebe njirenke, nabotoko wakoni. Naboy gotalia aba bangna widows boka, no ena bangna bagotu, na bagaka bagotu. Bantu Olegaiga batari koranga, batanya korano no mugati. What's that very? In the Muali de Yamaridan Eshuku Edar with Avantuamint Intagiten Tevega Intagiten Tevega Naro Yulide Party de Impagavon Nganger na ende chechiche mbia mono baba ntage tente beke na ende monte gerabia ense ya utotelibia ebe na ende mbrio chikoro balinde ebi ende to koraki wakonga nchimwe mugaba no ino ntaye ko bashwa aba tumwe twa waka Mario no embali twalinga na baragwe campaign imwe nyolete abande twasuna nanite abande twaberegete ebayiwete mnabono nyuwete nga ebayiwete bube sana na kinata chete umupira wo boibi olenge KTRH. And it's important to care abana baitomborega baku graduate lero ntebeiga mupiro tindiko chikonyotigera na itikolinde konyotaja engo tabango sabanya sayanga ki ange chinguru ndagire mente chikiro ntacho mupiro limono KTRH yita abantu bamintu KTRH yita abana bainkoibo ruororo enusi aba yola inkoibororo eba ingokwa 50% abantu barengi ko kukera bituko 24 hours nyakitali yeto gari abantu 25 weka 27 bere muna togo kwana na togo kwana abantu abana bawo kunyakitali okonyara bali bako ba transferred go chororo kurwese nyakitali tinde it's around 12 to 13%. Abantu bawo kunyakitali rero gari amakweli ya kawaida abantu batatu weka batano batatu kurushi na 7 ntaito wote baiga omopiro olioro. And I want to assure those ones who think that I will release pressing ad on corruption, I will not leave it anytime soon. I'll deal with those corrupt individuals firmly, without fear or contradiction. I want to tell you, even if you have your agents anywhere else, be assured, you will make noise, but for KTRH, I've changed the way of doing things. KTRH gari no bango sangeli milioni 47 shok metinye tatu dero etero sangeli milioni 200 intubune county government ndori kwa KTRH besa chi operation chibesa chire chiba isaine lakini abantu mbali bayigwetu bobe no bango ko supply amachembo no bango ko ba Mario kurmambi mpaka marago umuntu kabune kire chichuma kiri no bakoiba abuna na barai na bulbal ba waka mariyo mubaiwe ngo badenga ki embaligeret ko ruetin nebe mnanko inko make sure nge nyake tano regusi yabere moyo intienduoro I'll make sure yabere moyo manye kurwo lakini eme kole ili romo kongo sapi I'm determined wakonye gisaku yetu maraika ta kurwa ndons ache cross gusi yetu lazima ntutuka toba maraika vichinga chetu iyo ndo ya kya gatatu abana abaiseke bara wanafunzi ensengima all over the world. If you go to the USA and America, graduation yako nyaba isike na babange ogende nseriyo ndeons okonyora abasubati na ubaraba bagosoma. And I've seen moche kichi abasubati abako soma as nurses, almost all of them abambrana bakibaro nabaye naboyo noyegaiga abasubati na babange aba muraka yibale abana bamuraka yibale abantu baonjo kemeke nyoro na iwete gaiga abantu bansiri ko bacyombe ndado watawe abayibara becyombe ndo kubangira kiye kimwanze ko bacyombe ma I can assure you na aligeti 1200 ngabeka kando ntagete turabwata abayi batatu abande tigabasambu na masaroli ekerba mo bayita bakwe ago tara olreka nango no mu cyombo korete urenge mo itakwe ekera abantu abaneke cyabansire mwanze ko bacyombe gaiga libaga muko cyagaiga musome abana abamura narali muri America abange necera bali achari okuboli ngaki where the young men ngadi are in jail Ndayetentebega the young people, we have a responsibility. The parents, they have done their part. I want to request, also do your part. Igo, congratulations for the ladies. We will shape the society because of you people. Again, don't get it at Wokuano, think also Kimunjaira. Abantu ma ete bebire ngo Kimunja kordeki. Kordeki. Naende kera soire egokora enyumba esenge chama liyogo na kiregento abantu tigatu be disciplined twaro mukungoyo mwenye tukunyara gutwara nyomo yonde onye taribo igo onye lazima otware obusani isiko tumie condom osema mwala ngera tingwa na binte nieme atanga mama murega ya lakini lazima ngoreki ukuwa ne nitakuwa neti ngoja ukuwa na sama tanga igo abasacha mura ekondo mnejishingi komchoka na ate uwe chinde chikona nubusa echinde mbosa dalibo abantu wetemba maite na abangi namba manyete sababu teyo no mongo imbiale wachana na yeye kama hujaweka mwavule mongo inju baba injo waja kuja omongna ukidomo ngaini na kiremo ndra korebek ogoleli bulri nene baba Nawe shika mwavuli. Bwana ndio watamaini mwili. Nipe maji. Ingina bwana before mo nataraja na livuli. Amangana yo ukimwi. Okimoro abantu baminto tigato make sure lero neli tukolie school bana mbaiya tigato kuane ndo kuana boy igonko basaba mwezi uso wanje kwaino tigato lenda magmaito endagira amangana ya cancer ya baire bobe cancer nero yemioyo cancer nero yoroiboro cancer nero yorobere cancer nero ya yeliu negento ke koba ke kogera nesenge nchenda gira tokoli ebitume kero togo kesa enkuba saba tigabuome ni maiti ngabo bibe bitumambaro lakini ni mtagete toje toywane especially nkaga torogo septira nebi yage ekiere tumabiriye karamoko gesa mwabongorora mwabianekera mwabekeriyobo iberera ndiri kuruoro kale ebitume bya enkogeswa byabe kukiage embera nyawaka iberera lya koraki lyarwo esumere kwa aflatoxin embe enko basaba lazima torenga kitokoro sigesa kwetu ndai tote baiga our vocational training center litikoya jumaene liwoch na ndi wetere benge ku Kenya Commercial Bank ngo saen tuna barabwemu tuakore kiregento ngo aliyedu quarter Nairobi batoire na ndenda tote bega batoire milioni 25 na into account tuwatebe tubeke milioni 25 abana babwate B ne B plus wochigoro bagende ase chi polytechnic kito vanse chikozi nchongo chiko bakale shilingi isamara tonero mata isamara nere mata gaya nabegete chimiliyoni 5 birororo na atebire egitwe ebirasi bibirosigwe abantu barentororo abana barino no na ajiri tokonya ndiriko pikibuya na otokoraki tokonyeira say that abana basome kuruororo chi vocational training tubwate 59 gusiengima abajumbe bakembale to na barabo na ende ya Kenya Commercial Bank egocha ko bana barabo chi milioni 5 for vocational training courses igo ekero tokirete ngata talibosa tokirete ne kerindo ekenene sababu tiyo okubukuri omwana fomfo omuira chikolima kolima ngoko mokonya tiyagende anyore course no ene yokubeka omuliro bwika bose no ene bongo no bogo sone bikoroto tros no ene factory yo cross cake bikoroto giko nyari kanonye no cross ya match epramba ne ya moyo katubate kenyoroga ya akuru araje ga akuru oyo araka ye Kongo nero yocha mpaka maato cha kondosa chipipe cha maji bantu ba ande besa wako mingi no kondro wekera twaroranire na bongo mwiti na nelwe ya munya kurage ano kumenyete mugondo tutageti kuiru mwana asome talibesa twakubulia etwateri morete tomosomi anyore kaige ntagotamira na wetera gagwe serikali mwaro chimosonde serikali foreign affairs ntoge ndete kolinga ki ikera toira mabaga chiri 10 ntagetendore ngaki ngweti no makego achagusi lakini tatakira gukwana achiche tokonya abana baito bagende isiko yense ka bakonye gesaku yetu na decide abana bake ko sponsor tole bagende isiko bueno madona mongna endongira na bongo baira lakini wanu mataga bongo bwa kongire ndogotenga ndotaka ko mulinga bongo lakini wono mnabono umwana naroro nero nyolte scholarship yoko enda Chongqing Konkeumbu natebo mwana oyinko muliyende ticket agende asome ali China. Wetra nyaore mutinyo naende na botra basa koli yaba na funds ko technical training schools cheto ba actually what you an polytechnic for further studies igoto basa ko isaranse kinyiroma iga unakwibira abantu nga umwana ga akorera form ngendo cyo karengereti umumura ngo yende gendo kieke pigi ngo change tele ku woro yendo kyo mwelo montore foreign affairs ndo tamanyeti na mndavadi tari mtua yare labor nero godina mangana ya labor omo waziri omo nene mdavadi nero le foreign affairs igo aye mondo omo tambe manyebi ndebi wakwa na kurwa unapiki to nyagaka nande ngwara mnyoko jama sanga kaime mbiyao kororaga lero kore otenine nanchirente bebintu bike ebiro bigendrete ese chigo gete maiga ese constituency ngima contractor ya etwe ya kwete nande contract kia irwe moko nyara ko limonto mungao nkaranga ga isinge njono ninka nongo sokra ko ena ruse chibese cyane mubuko nkarosie pale iga nkarosie kugenda itimo leko yende eskuru ngake mata getenga mabono eramye siekire ngumbugari daraja kanga tinguma nyitina ringo soka mpaka paraini pale ntu arosi era minege ndrete krosgu ya kogendo gembo eye itoga yeta machine ya soka kwenda ngumbu itumbe kere president njate bele ngochere ntagete kragocha kende nkeyo ngumubuli lazima akole pale ile para chirina rosiri nchiroro chigendrete bono yanda ngonda tungakiro mweshimiwa mu MCA mbiamono because na role contract ya chiro into place na agendrete chiere chibe kwa mara mchirosu make sure eparge koroswa njetingo nyara koborro min muroro omonto korose pararo se parabia mu make sure rosi ya maraba obekira maraba maya ekiora min muwetoro ngumwaka na tole umuntu ngumwaka na tole talibosa nekibese cyene to kumwaka na mubasa wanja ega asiye koleka nembe eseki para cyene no nekinya gitari kirito kwagacha chiwodi chinde chiwote nyomonte kara kolera asiembe moyo bono nyiwete na atagete na ansto kolera asiembe mugati na mukamukani mo na akora mpaka nyiwete sameta mukwero mati agakani mo basa kuwancha umu contractor to wakana chibesa akore chese kipara cyeno gosomo ntuto iraro sinya kitali to amote abiriabe keke gingi ke smiti obekire gendo kiyomote mo basa wanje ndade bashukuru nyagancha e contract ende kataka koleta mchezo ro aba na nchi boka banyere bagakana nyagancha yitoka mpaka etende yitwa tebetenga rasmi roleru koba advertised. Mwandikire bintu ndataitwa soma gege binde nimeta ma osona mache ndu kwandikira na aligura etangi de mata aye digitu enkoga abantu mbalege enkora atumia mono tali ngambe sankuba amweshimiwa nani banda mbali kuboli bwe MC ko to basotwara mujana na barabo ababone bako mnyoka nabu nkonyora ba kirase no bali tali besa nkuba abantu abana abanyaba banoli tengenje bose mu beko tuchandite no mu bako na kwantenere ndete musabe ekera na role getie ki kange tu saranstense in the budget isaranzat na koro dem diamond egetie ke inta getembe ke chibesa kebe ke kauleki kera niwe asomo pakole oikira oralia ororo ndege tomu pako sole ekiara ntuta tomenye no mulembe na ndenda ite make sure nga e wall ya ga chira stubwa to muchande wall to gozbeka wate wall to diri naye niwe to boli mubumbu chede mpaka mate talibo ntuta kite tuaga che no ne hall enene igaiga ndaite nsabega abantu baminto no bamumbro minto no bamuisiko minto oboli muburu bwa serikali lazima mutikale ko bagende tweke bwa serikali mari jinga kichinde ndo njiro to ko everani mono ko everani ko kola tiki igonye ko maete no ini kroche tio sobole mo koraki suka na boli mubonde bwensi na rule instruction yese mu waziri ono planning chitaito chonsi chamaremo nkorosi ukire tonyare konyora na nto konyora na ntu tuwasukire tuwasure kwao onye tubwata magoso etukugwakana na riwa agendere boronge lakini bono umuntu na mugakuria no rega bagakabande mbale maiga torosi asiga iga nayo kono ene litokema osechinchugu kosa na bereyo osino na amache leta no ngakia nkonyale kana tugo sabe ngakia nkonyale kana tugo sabo to bol mobos lakini bwa serikali barabu kosekango koletiki nko hiyo eya ndonkere na kwa na gero yo boy bibwe chombe na tebetu bwansire borobras maboera umu MCA chief incho amredi koena na chibesa togiye abayibi yabo nabonko libesa ebibiro bindo wanza kugamba ngana obwo bibe chiombe mpaka chingoko ya mate ngangere koera echire eli arenge 50 million plus 10 million he wants 60 million echire eli moyere coffee factory 8 na tebet million sana monchabe getuororo chimuki chichenchi machine eli torre bali babwate kawa ne bwate chibesa chinyingi tali yoka mpaka nyamache neyende nereboge tuturogoro neyende nyali baliga chi factory echo nanyola te million sana mo isana mo na be kirororo chibwenete go kolegasi yo omwelyo itumbe bohol ya elire na machi bona wente go timbo go chi emechi abantu. I'll make sure nko nyaronchi no mheshimiwa I don't know when you are arranging to nyaronchi amacha akoleki abantu banse kun mheshimiwa ntwa lonche ya me school ngumbu abantu bali kunyo machi ingo Nyansakia na itibo market abantu mbali tukibesa lakini to decide naende nkunyaga chatule ebe moyo gesure dispensary echo ya nkwaga choronja erete motondo dispensary ntobegete kibeso ro moche moregasi ewansa na umutinyo woche kiana lyokonyore tenda ya etire nyaganja dispensary chimilioni 5 nchabege tuororo na chirocho etenda negendrete. That's all. Those ones who are graduating today, okay. The students who are graduating today, I want to heed to the call which was made by one of the speakers that we want people to transit. Those ones who have been teachers, mwara abana bakenavuwa banafunzi ngakikunyarikana. By the time we are doing recruitment for vocational training center, you guys will be beneficiaries of those advertisements that we are going to put in place. I want to request kikuwa nyolere na ekera bana aba alimu aba bonds, all these teachers you saw here eba koirwa wasema no mushahara no limu wakani ngakira kini momenye ngakimura operate mutariko menyukeni ngatariko weekend Ismail lakini ngendo gekengera to kuba go appreciate dole kasana mbiamon no eno yegasi yae nechere bwangu iga ere na muchama lakini na make plans ndolenga kitoko beke chibesanke se program tubakane abantu bamyito nkole kuboli amangana 3 abantu ba bus chache abageni baramurakira abantu ba bus chache mura nimogogete twaleta egentekega tikatuborani ngwanja muri abana bajoine college kakina nyeretire mpaka gisuna kiao osi kumotenga isibi gende klasi onye mwana taigwete primary taigwete secondary kakimo gwanja agende vocational training center atumie chinguru chiae chokoboko no bongo kako onye mwae yende kyo mwae chief ndaide mwae to mongno chief mongno ena bo mwae tere no mugambi baba will support you. Make sure there is order ekenyoro and we will give you the support as the county government will always cooperate na national government. Tinda edo kuwa nkikegendre tense yetu abajumbe mma nkikegendre mumanyeti muma nkikegendre wana njengo kuwa nkikegendre talinga ngange tonde bwenzi serikali ya UDO maete nenyameni bwate muma edenga kibambuwania emyaka erenga ebere lakini nyasaye omuntu ori orengo tumya abasikari bobe omuntu orengo gotumya abasikari bobe mpaka ekera chichifu cyache tubone bakabarikira kisho cause letters ebaye njogete na hende tu sawa nyasaye akoro wanje kwae do wana ile na hende ndo mbashwe ekero brai tiga kuchaya abantu bande sika abantu naliyeko babya umuntu arudenga Kenya ne yejishia ole nga akaragocha kusiga ya devinga na letire chama kwani wege tunu igoro bono ayeno murayocho ore kuroge tunu igoro buyek osenke nyingima nga omanyete intwe n'abantu baminto abantu gopishana nino ntuntu alenga abayibi abange chichera lakini bona matuka yabo gusimu abere abayibi abange chera ikiyana kyocha batete to basabanya sanjo wanje kwae kyegocha abarayi bali barororo na libuto aranyore no eruta na nyora sako yanira manyanga no tigana no serikali boli wala tinda kuwa na ina mangana Kenya kwanza tingo kuwa na mangana ODM muma yatenda yewe kirokia kerekiek muma yatenda obo deputy party wakia makiek kwana buya kwana na maringo odi ndagidemba mwe tayari manyanga omondo na nenda tateba ososi ayabekwa atenenere amasrai yo monto yomo koru western ososi no montone Nasiri ko Mombasa omondo wiek asa abantu batoto tangaine talionde Paul igo mwaka raire to sabanga raira nyasaya mwanjira nyoleyo ekera nyonga ya bekwa ekepindi kiroro akole lakini omuntu bwate bone kyama ODM talionde ninjoye murochega igo muroche mororo na kito cross kusiye ito ebe orange gaba heshimiwa be prepared tigakonya kuivuruga muivuruga bishuanga na watole twagache kiama torogo singa kitoka na ujumutwa na imtukana butokoros Kenya yaito tete ndigirigagwe tokole graduation kyabana aba abantu bamintu bankaga gokorando mukutano na inwe nande na promise ati aiga school gitenga igoro ngokorando mukutano before mwaka utaraera before suguku ngikagendredo ese nene abantu bakwimya kiralitiko tigatusabirani abana nywete baitombaro bakali Lebanon tigatubasabire abange bali bagwetu nebibago biri byalenge bya inkurda jibombo Israel lakini arole no yamba yepaka no abana bakebago tigatusabira abana baitu yasaye kawanja nyege kunyarekana kiko poa baira ne kuboro no ni ran mwaro jembaru tete bombo chororo ni nyiwedenga na bira abasako babobe tigatusabire ense ya itengima omulembe no muya no wanye no okoli kinye ni cyawo kitabwati mabuta no muya abantu bakule aba Hamas bakule 49,000 baitiru n'aba Israel esenge injolire abantu aba Hamas bachete kuita abantu irweyemo baba Israel bayimukire basunyuntiru paka abana bake bakule tigatusabire ensi yetu ebe moyo kitobwato mulembe negentekia egento ngere data ukwana lakini tigange kwani jensi mbalema bakirambia mono mwaboki abarayi kurwesi baraire Kenya ngima lakini mtu atagete ensi yetu SOSS na kitu ateba ngakiti atokonyo mheshimiwa Ruto atene nienzi tokamwa abantu karibu 5 ku ODM mtu ntoli serikali monto tabangaina intuno ODM ntotigari tukoba ekiama ki opposition na nenkoro stole serikali ko jimotuga abranya bintu byose leka Ruto ka kuruwa 2027 Simba nere president kwani kose mwanya bantu ni lakini tukumo sabako lege pindi kiae atoere ninje a deputy party leader ya ODM Mambia no nkalipo kere matika hiyo koigora chisho iko gas tuansire atonye tinja around inulende kenyura abayibasire tiganyi ko mubyo yo musambi okoboko iyo nanage tuo kugoro na liyo katara nyole koleta discipline around igaiga na tutasalie kenyura mo wanja boyo. With those many remarks, I want now to take this opportunity to call upon this. Onya tuwa tenda mwamu wake mwana oyo chief. Lewis ya njuga wakore fonfo. Mwana ni ofani yake. Ya kana ralia. Bonchari. Abaibuli ba umbara?
Aye.
Basiri? Ndi wako de fonfo? Last year. Kanyaraki. Pole ya. Umwana one orphan. Abaibuli ba embayo. Ochire ajiri. Nkyoyo wao kora. Umwana otabwati abaibuli ba. No emboli mumboko letiki. Mboijo. Chiambo chai chiamo uranyi wetu. I want to direct ganyo ole manyana raligawa. Oboli mugwaba waiboli wabo gas manyo. Bonjari arali. Mogumo. I'll deal with that one. I'll deal waziri. Omwano entaili kwenye report. Mkuwa nina account commissioner, account commander, we must make sure tuanyole ubuli mubu mwano. Mwanja boyo? Omwano oyo. Omwano otabu atiba hivyo ibaye. Ayenole kaya no mwishi ukone kesakani kia mwisa na msini nyomba. Otadai kaya ni school. Teba shame on me. Shame on you. Teba me, you. Ngenjo tiyo boy saranza no mwana kange yani tarikende ngo ko form 4 bero monto mon ntoli wanchirana gakyo wanja kwao tiga bana waende school ya congratulations waziri make sure mwisho twanyoro boli mogo onye to make sure nga ya mba kumura ninje gabana ya kisi bonjari Mogumo. Sasa, simama hapo. Marwa Robi Moses. Doris Sakwa. Lucy Kwamboka Nyabutu. Etimu yekaye. Just come. Come.
Tatu tunaruka haki. Lakini wewe careful kupata kofia yako, si ndio? Abawande ndio magari kwa jeje tumosi kama yake. Nini ngaki eno iko. Mko tayari? Graduates, are you ready? Yes. 1 2 lazima mkaunt na mimi. 1 2 3. Thank you.
Interested, you can come and register. Otherwise I want to wish you well. Okay, nimba na mambo atazawadi kwa wengine.